So, Anu, firstly, thank you so much for facilitating such a wonderful session here in Hyderabad. I think this is the first time that I'm attending the servant leadership, and I'm already regretting about wasting 2 years of my time here in UST by not attending these sessions. So, wonderful sessions, especially. I think I'm getting to know a lot more about what are the contributions that I can make in the organization as a leader. So one thing that a servant leadership role has taught to me, or what I've learned out of this session, is how different is the servant leader from a traditional leader, and what is the high value purpose that a servant leader can bring forth on the table, making a huge impact, making a greater impact to the team and the organization. So I had great learnings. So first things first, servant leadership is not specific to any company, but being associated with UST, I was able to understand how I can relate servant leadership to the core values of UST. So which in turn has helped me understand what are my focus areas from now on. And I think I have a better plan. I have a better preparation for the upcoming years because I now had a great toolkits to learn about, and I think the toolkits are so neatly clear, very neatly prepared or presented in a way that I know how I can use them for. So one thing, the key takeaway that I personally understand from this servant leadership program is that if you are already a leader, you know that there are a lot more that you can do. But if you are a leader, the upcoming leader, this is like the wonderful kickstart for you, because you don't need an experience, but this program itself taught you where you have to start. I think a pathway to start as a leader begins from the servant leadership program, and I am so happy to see a lot of new talents, a lot of young leaders being associated with this program, and I hope that it's a wonderful key takeaway for everybody to know where to start.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadine. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.